This is outside of Welding Lab One. This is our oxygen and our system for all our gas and our air, and all our scrap metal, sheet metal, extra pipes, scrap bin, and this is Welding Lab One. There's our mini shear, another portable tank system. We've got the cutting tables, the press brake. This actually came out of a battleship. Then we got storage over here. We got our plasma cutters. And we've got the main shop floor, older grinder. We've got our other saw, the locker area, and our shear over here behind the saw. And this saw, unlike the one in the other shop, will actually come on. And we have our big shear, 10 foot. And behind the shear, we got our test metal for doing test plates. You can see behind the shear, big slides. I made the little panels here. This all used to be open down here. And then we've got our grinding room on this end. We have four booths, 4 grinders down here, which is better than on my end, which I am jealous of. The old coat rack with a ha. Finish stick coat hooks. And of course you have to be clearly labeled. I made sure of that. Exit. Hardy har. Then we have Steve's office. The dunk tank over here with the rusty water. This is what the booths look like down here. And also down here I have a student rolling through. I'm videoing the shop. And we've got our pipe bender. I'll show you how it works. It's kind of loud. That's how it works. And then Steve's comfy cozy office with all the mess. All the bills. And then we got 4 rolls of booze over here. Enough for around 30 people, something like that. These booths are a little different. They have the same welder we have down at the other end, that one welder. Plus they have a variety down here. Not all the welders are equal. Some are older, and then some are newer. Each booth is set up the same way. Has an arm, table, a stool, and burned wooden walls. Power supplies are all on one end on this one instead of in each individual booth. Well, and that's Welding Lab One in a nutshell.